What is REM sleep? Most individuals go to bed without considering the various stages of sleep that their brain and body go through, or how these stages can affect their health. However, it is critical to comprehend the significance of REM sleep. This stage of sleep has a significant impact on memory, mental focus, and mood. In this post, you'll learn what REM is, why it's so important, and how to make sure you get enough of it every night. Recognizing REM sleep. When you're sleeping in the REM stage, your eyes dart back and forth behind your closed lids, giving the stage its name. The majority of your dreaming occurs while you are in this condition. Your muscles are briefly paralyzed at the same time, which is vital so you don't try to act out your dreams. REM sleep has a higher level of brain activity than NREM sleep, and it's regarded as a more wakeful state since your heart rate and blood pressure rise to levels similar to when you're awake. What is the importance of REM sleep? REM sleep aids in the consolidation and processing of new information in the brain. After that, the knowledge is stored in your long-term memory. REM sleep also aids in mental attention and mood control, both of which are important for everyday work performance and overall quality of life. The consequences of not getting enough REM sleep are severe. Your immune system may be weakened, you may suffer more intense pain, and the formation of new healthy cells and tissue in the body may be slowed if you don't get enough sleep. Sleep disorders, such as insomnia or obstructive sleep apnea, which causes you to wake up during the night, can induce poor REM sleep. Increasing the quality of your REM sleep. There are apps and tools available that can help you track how long you sleep and how often you toss and turn at night. They may be able to estimate your REM sleep by measuring things like variations in heart rate. But it's also true that just focusing on obtaining a good night's sleep will almost certainly increase your chances of getting enough of the crucial REM state. How can you ensure that you get the rest you require? In the evening, gently wind down without the use of television or laptops, which emit sleep-inhibiting blue light. To improve your chances of having a good sleep schedule, go to bed at the same time every night. Also, to improve your general sleep, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime.